नहीं बेटा
Good evening, good evening. Srinidhi came early and normally is come from the girls. All of them empathy all. Yesterday they were there. Yesterday class was there. Good to talk from boys side. These people are coming. Pressure. Don't know. All remaining empathy all. Usually, that's why we not there. No, what happened? Huh? Yo? Sit down, sit down. We have completed what? Applications in circle. Don't damn. How was your exams are done? After exam, first day you are coming now? Why? Monday, actually. When was the exam? Monday. Somebody came on Saturday, no? You came on Saturday. Yes, Saturday. Yours. So late. You also started. Why so early? Then I know. Ganpati, Mandal is there, duty is there. So, FPG exams are over. Monday was the last exam. Okay, exam. Decent, what is that decent? Full mark. Little less than 80 mark paper. 80 mark paper, above 75. FPJ people stand up. How was the paper? Maths paper? You brought the who brought that paper? You brought right? Somebody brought that paper, no? Whose paper was brought? The other day I asked you to do people MCQs. I'm like, oh, that was DAV paper. Where is the paper? How was the paper, Rishabh?
5 marks, 1 question.
5 mark, 1 question you did not do.
Sir, I attempted but I not.
Fine. And you, how was it?
Sir, not that.
Not that too good. Next. What is the 5 mark question he says to complete? This one. If there are 2 parts,
Same problem.
this is not same problem.
Sir, mine also same problem, sir.
These all we are done in the class. I will show you the one
Sir, I understood.
This is done in the question. This we are done in the class. This is textbook question only.
Yes, sir. That's per word I would add.
And this second one was very simple.
Sir,
Second one is it is 5 mark. It's actually 3 mark question. Divide by cos theta and put 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. 3 times you will be getting the answer. It's all we could do. And even these are also we did it because this question I said is important question. 1 plus square theta. This was the problem for you. Restaurant. You did restaurant? Yes. What was your problem? What was the problem for you? No. Which one was the problem? PPT na parallel no similarity. What do you think of? PP and this by this equal to this by this. This is one you got this one. Then this one is equal to this one. So you got this one, na? So you have this one. You have this one. Parallel means you can also two ratios. This upon this. This upon this. 2 marks. Now, this time you pass now. These are 15 plus 15. Sit down, sit down. What is your exams are over? How was your paper? Let's see. So she is expecting 2 marks.
No.
One, 17. So 3 MCQ. You said 1, then 3 MCQ. So 79 minus 376. So technically that's 5 minus 1. Then more. So 76. Okay. 77. So CBSE exams are coming. Look, when is the exam starting? Third number, no? Oh, sorry, October 3rd. So, 10 days. Today is 20%.
First exam.
Studied, started. How many chapters revised? How many chapters you know? 1 month you are selling AP. Now you are selling trigonometry. That AP forgot. School was there today? Then? 5 days. You will know that there is class.
It's usually 5 minutes.
I think.
And then a company has to
What will come now one winner is coming not yet. Then who is the other one missing? Just will come for 24. You are signing. Yeah, chalo, we are done with the this one now. Circle is completed, and what is the one we are not? We started a chapter. Chapter left out is area, surface area, and what is it? Area like that's the area and surface area. These are two chapters, you know. Probability we are done. That's all now. Now construction. Statistics also we are done. Which chapter is done if you are started in the school? Which chapter? Anything? EPS? Any chapter which you are done in not done in you? Huh? What syllabus? So your exam is based on what syllabus? Which chapter? Which chapter is not coming in? Not coming. Which are the chapters not coming? So let's start with the area related to circle. We'll start with बहुत सही नहीं surface area. Okay, surface area. No problem. Surface area. You can close your books. You can first look here. Both the chapters area related to circle and its properties. You have to find out. Chapter is comparatively easy means formula and you have to think and do it. Even surface area volume, which you have done in the 8th standard, 9th standard. Okay, it's continuation. In 8th and 9th standard, you learn the formula. Stop talking a little. The formula and directly find the surface area, volume, all these things. Here, this chapter, this year, we are going to study about combination of solids. Okay, combined solids are there. There is a cylinder is there. On the bottom, there is a hemisphere is attached. On the top, there is a cone is attached. So, what is the surface area? What is the volume? These are or some part is removed. Then, what is its surface area? What is the volume? These are the conditions we are going to discuss. So, what are the solids we studied? So, you know which are the solids we studied? Plain figures, you know. Which are the plain figures here? Polygon, circle, all these things are there. Yes, what are the sorry, says chapters we are finding out. Okay, plain figure, circle, all the polygons, quadrilaterals, all these things are there. The polygons are there. Solids, you know what I mean by solid? You don't sign that. Okay, solids. What is it? Solids, three-dimensional solids, these which take the space required. Okay, these are 3D ones, require the space to give. What the space required is called its space required is called its volume. How much space is required? That is called the volume. Volume is in cubic units is coming. Okay. Now, which are the solids we studied? Cuboid. There is a cylinder. Cone. Then sphere, hemisphere. These are the ones you have studied based on this one. Okay. There was one more was there in this chapter that is coming using a frustum of a cone. That part is not there. That is again given. Okay. Frustum of the cone means kulfi, you know, kulfi shape, you know. What is the shape of the kulfi? Not cone. There are conical also. The top part is not there. No? Or from the cone you cut one top is removed. So what the remaining part is called. Okay. From a cone, top one, the top cone is removed. It will part is called liquid. So the remaining piece is called cluster. Okay. Now, anyway, that is not there. So we are going to discuss about the first we will discuss formula. All of you know, remembering or forgot any formula anyone knows or tells us I know. You know any formula? You know any formula? Okay. Please know. Q word at this morning is equal to okay. Now, before going to that, you know any formula? IR is what?
Yes, yeah.
Very good. Okay, that is correct. Okay. Listen. Okay. Keep the volume closed and up. First of all, do you know what is the meaning of uniform solid? Uniform solid. Uniform solid. You know what is the shape of this one? What is the shape of this one? Cuboid. You know what is a cuboid? The solid which contains how many faces? 6 faces. All the faces are rectangle, opposite rectangles, rectangle, rectangle. Okay. What is the meaning of a uniform solid means? Consider this as the base. What is the shape of the base? Rectangle. If you take any cross section, do you know what I mean by cross section? Cut parallel to the base. The same base will go. Rectangle, rectangle, or top. Or simple thing, base and top are the same rectangle. Same shape it is coming, that is called the uniform solid. Or even if I keep this way, if I slice this way also, same thing will come. So this is the uniform this way also. Use this uniform any which way you can do. Whereas over here, now you see what is the shape of this? Cylinder. This is also uniform. This is circle. If I cut the same circle, okay, this is a uniform one. But if I slice this way, suppose if I cut back in this way, if I cut, is it a uniform? No. This way is uniform. So uniform is fine. If I take this one, is it a uniform one? If I think about this here, it's a uniform one. Is it or not? If I take up to the cylindrical one. Whereas it's the top is there, the circle is small, so it's not a uniform. Okay, follow what is the meaning of the uniform. So write the chapter, name surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. Below right, first formula. Volume of a uniform solid is equal to volume of a uniform solid is equal to volume of a uniform solid is equal to area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. I repeat, volume of a uniform solid is equal to area of the base into height. That whenever the uniform base is coming into, so according to you, which are the uniform ones? Cube is a uniform. Cuboid is uniform. Cylinder is uniform. How about the cone? Cone is not uniform. It's coming as some to a top point. No. Sphere, it is not uniform. If you slicing, it is not. There is no base for the sphere is not uniform. 3 uniform things are coming. What are 3 uniform? Cuboid and the cylinder. Okay. Next is whenever liquids we are taking. Whenever any liquid. So what is the shape of the water in this one? What is the shape of the water? Shape of this portion. Okay, if you transfer to anything, water that is uniformly spread. If this solid is uniform, means it is uniform. Suppose if I close this one, this room, apply water in this room, water is uniform. Yes or no? What is uniform? So how do you find the volume of water means area of the base. How do you find the area of the base? Some projections here and those that whole areas will remove and multiplied by height. Next, we are talking about the solid. If you see this book, in this book, this is a solid. Why it is solid? If you cut inside, also same paper is it. Correct? Whereas if you take it as an if you consider football, it is not considered as solid. just sphere. But if you cut inside, what is there? It is not. It's empty. It's an air. So it's not considered as a solid. We say it's a shell, spherical shell. Short put, short put. But you know it's short put. Or seriously, no, school. If you take that one, if you cut inside is what? That metal. Okay, it is made up of iron means it is a metal. That is a solid is called. Understood what is a solid. So whatever we are using, learning the formula is for solid. Cylinder means cylindrical solid. Otherwise, all means its own properties will be possible. Okay now. So that is the first condition you keep in mind. So solid and boxes out is empty ones. So one by one we are going to do the cuboid. First one you can write cuboid. Cuboid. How many faces are there? Right. Number of faces, 6. Number of faces, 6. Vertices and edges I am not giving. But still, how many vertices are there, do you know? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 vertices are there. Edges, you know how many are there? Not required to write. Edges. No, 3. This is 4 itself is there. Another 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And 12 edges are there. Okay. Vertices, edges, and the conditions are there. Okay. Now faces, vertices, edges, there is a relation there. Wooler's formula you studied. Okay. Now 8 plus 6, 14, and 8 plus 2. Okay, if you study in the school level, study. Okay, now dimensions. You know what are dimensions over here? It's a length, right? Dimensions. Find the dimensions of the cuboid means what you have to find out? Its length, breadth, and height. Dimensions means L, B, H. Okay, find the dimensions means find its length, breadth, and height. Or it is given. Dimensions of the cuboid are 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Meaning is length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. That's it. Okay. So remember. First, volume. You know what the formula of volume? LBH. Volume of the cuboid is equal to LBH. As I said, it is look here. Here, in this one, what is the length over here? This is its length. Length. Breadth. Height. Area of the base. Area of this rectangle is what? LB. And what is it? H. LB multiplied by H. That is the volume. Area, base area into height, volume. Okay. Next, area volume, we got base area. What is the base area? Area of the base is LB. Length into breadth. You know what is the meaning of TSA? Total surface area. Do you know what is the total surface area? Total surface area. Think and tell me this you done.
2 times
LB, 2
plus
times LB, 2 BH plus 2 LH. 2 LB plus 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay. There are 6 faces are there, 3 identical faces. So that is why LB and LB is coming. BH, PH, LH, LH. So total surface area you got. Now, next is, do you know what is the meaning of LSA? Lateral surface area. What do you know what is the meaning of lateral surface area? It's vertical faces. Like here, which are the vertical faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. These faces are called the vertical faces. Do you know which are the area of the vertical faces? This LB will go. So what will be left out? 2 times BH plus 2 times LH means 2H times L plus B. Lateral surface area, area of the vertical faces, or another word is that area for walls. Room is in the shape of what? Room is in the shape of cuboid, na? Room is in the shape of cuboid. So the floor and the roof are the bases considered. 4 walls. This 4 walls area is coming in this one. Okay, type of questions will be there. So lateral surface area, total surface area, base area, volume is studied. Do you know by the way diagonal? Not required since it is 1 mark is the diagonal. Do you know what is the formula? Root of L square plus B square plus H square. Root of L square plus B diagonal. No, diagonal length. All these are the length, area of dimensions. No? Diagonal is equal to. Do you know for the cuboid how many diagonals are there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Beyond that, what is the shape of this room? Cuboid, no? You know what is cuboid diagonal? To the bottom. Opposite. 1. Huh? From here. Second. There is another one. 3. So 4 also said, 8 also said, 12 also said, 6 also said. Oh, so you said 2 also, no? Oh, Srimiti, very good. How many said? Next question onwards you will tell, no? Okay. So, root of L square plus B square plus H square, that is the diagonal. Listen, box is in the shape of what? Box. Cuboid. Not necessarily cube. Cube and cuboid difference will come. Box is in the shape of a cuboid. What is the meaning of box? Empty. Inside it is empty. That's all. No, that's all. Okay. So, I'm going to tell first condition. A box is made up of wood. How do you find the volume of the wood? Box is made up of wood. How to find the volume of the wood? Box is that.
Minus the volume of the outer side of
Outer volume minus inner volume. Outside also you take this one cuboid. Inside also you say another cuboid. Dimensions are different. So what is the volume of the wood? External volume minus internal volume. That which is clear. Do you know what is the meaning of capacity? Capacity. Capacity means volume. In fact, it is the internal volume. Whenever find the capacity means what you need to find out? Internal volume. Remember. Okay. Generally, there one dimension is given. Length, breadth, and height of a box means find its capacity means volume. Suppose it's specified inside, outside, and out. Now that only I am going to tell. Do you know what you mean by? So let's not what you mean by. Let's say a box is there. Its outer dimensions are given. Outer dimensions are, let's say, okay, numbers 40, 30, 20. Okay. These are the outer dimensions. What is the meaning of outer dimensions? Outer length, outer breadth, outer height. Okay. And it is thickness. Let's say its thickness of the box is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Outer dimensions are given as 40, 30, 20. And the thickness is given as 2 centimeter. I need those who know raise a hand. I need the inner dimensions, means inner length, inner breadth, inner height. One hand is up. Yeah, is up or down? Those who want to tell the answer, give the raise a hand. Bishop's hand is up or down? Follow on what is it? Box shape is coming as what? This one. Cuboid. Outer length, breadth, and height is given. In thickness is given. So this hand is up or down? Your hand is up or down? Okay, so what is it? 70. 70 is what? I don't know. Yes, you tell.
36, 26, and 16.
That is correct. So what is it? 76? I don't know. From where you got 76? 56. What way you got 70? 40 plus 30 you added. Then what is it? No. If those are not followed, listen here. There we are standing in this is the room now. Room is in the shape of what? Room is in the shape of a cuboid. If you take this is called the length from outside. Listen. From followed, what is the answer is what? 40 minus 2 times 2. That is equal to 36. 30 minus 2 times 2, like that. If you outside, if you are measuring, that is 40. Then inside means there is a wall over here. This wall and this wall length thickness you have to subtract. That is why 2 over here and 2 over there is subtracted. Same way. Outside breadth, if you go outside and take the breadth is coming at 30. So this wall thickness is removed. That is why it is coming 30 minus 4. And same way height. So outside height, because so the thickness of the floor, thickness of the roof has to be subtracted. That is why it is coming as 20 minus 2 times 2. Understood or not? Now, if the same box, listen carefully. So this much already followed. The same box is open at the top. Means how many faces are there? 5 faces. Okay, so these are the outer dimensions and this is the thickness. Okay, same box is open at the top. These are the outer dimensions. This is the thickness. What are the inner dimensions? Raise a hand. Inner dimensions. I mean, I do not ask to think and he'll answer. You don't to sleep. Empathy is there. No empathy. Surgeon also done. So then what is it? Sleeping also done. Only this time we have. You want to tell? Tell not. No problem. You wanted to tell? You are tell.
26, 26, and 18.
You are very good. 36, 26, and 18. Because top is not there. So one thickness only you have to remove. Length and breadth, 4 centimeters, you have to remove it. Whereas top is not there means what? Only one thickness. Understood all of you? Suppose if the box is open at the bottom and the top. The bottom also is there, top is also not there. What are the inner dimensions? Height, inside height and outer height will remain the same. Okay, if you see a pipe, what pipe, no. The length from outside and then from inside is same thing. Okay, because it's open. Okay, but other things will be same way. 40 minus 2, 4, 30 minus 4, like that. Okay, and the volume of the wood also. These are things followed now. So when the question is similar ones are coming, you have to see that. Now, so cuboid. After cuboid, it is coming as cube. What is the difference between cuboid and a cube? What is the difference between cuboid and a cube? Cube is all the faces are square. All the faces are square. And cuboid, all the faces are rectangle. That means if it is square, means L, D, and H, all the three will be same. Let's say A. So right, cube. Number of faces 6. Number of faces 6. Dimension A. Generally, it will be given as edge of the cube or somewhere side of the cube. All of them are same thing. Okay. Dimension means A. A means edge or side. Edge or side. Okay. Volume. What will be the volume? A cube. L, B, and H all are same. A into A cube. Base area. Base area. Volume is A. Volume A cube. How? Not followed out is getting. Volume A and B, H, L and B and H are same. Base area A square. Total surface area. How many surfaces are there? 6. So what is the answer? 6A square. Lateral surface area. 4A square. 4 faces are there. 4A square. Diagonal. Instead of LTH, all of them will come as A. So what will we get? A square plus A square plus A square. 3A square, it's root. A root 3. Cuboid and cube. Hope you have followed, all of you. Okay. Learn the formula. Only this much you have learned. If learn, we can. Mana? This many formula learned. It's simple, na? NBA single will be an answer. Who can learn this formula? Those who not, please stand up. Thanks. So nobody. Srinidhi. No one? No, man. I'll give you a minute for you. We learn. Let's stand up now. Those who learn stand up, okay. I'll ask. Okay. 1, 2. This side. Okay. Question paper you brought. I'll take the question papers and exam, main exams are coming only. Okay. Total surface area of the cube.
6 years square.
6 years square. Volume of the cube what?
LBH.
Look, not learn. Standard learn, we have learned already. Girls, these 3 points are learned already. Okay. Lateral surface area of the cube what?
Sir, 2 times L, 2h times L plus B.
2h times L plus B. Volume of the cube?
LBH.
Cube.
A cube.
A cube. Sit down. Done. Okay, lateral surface area of the cube? 4h square. Diagonal of the cube what?
Under root L square to 3 square.
That's it. All 3 voices. Boys anymore? Pujari, what? Ganpati was there? No, celebrity, no. You? Ganpati was there? Celebrity there or cylinder? You don't know anything? What do you know the keyboard? Base area. Total surface area. Okay, volume of the keyboard. Sit down. Remaining people here. Okay. So learn. You learn. Okay, tell any 5 formula from here.
5 formula from here.
Yeah, yes.
Volume of cube is A cube.
Stand up. Volume of cube is A cube.
Sir, volume
Stand up.
base area is A square.
Base area is A square.
Total surface area is 6A square. Lateral surface is 4A square. Dimension is diagonal is A root.
That's no other things are same thing only. Why did you stand? What is the keyword? LBH. This same thing only. Easy. This is studied in 7th or 8th standard. Okay. Hello. What happened to be here looking? All okay, now? Sleeping at home only, no? What are we here? Well, not feeling well. Pagka. Then let the note. So where is Anand? Anand, you were there in the last class. Chalo. Okay now. They are only one others sleeping. Okay. This is done. So cuboid is done. Cube is done. Next one. Cylinder. Take all of you now. Okay, cylinder. Give an example of a cylinder, Navin. Bottle. All bottles are not in. Tubeless. Nowadays the tubeless are not in. Okay. That also is a okay. This one cylinder, pipe. Okay, that also nowadays lot of pipes is not. Okay, these pipes. Pen also, yeah, okay. Yeah, also a lot of things are different now. Yeah. Okay, chalo. Cameras kya? Yeah, listen, cylinder return. How many faces are there? 3. How many faces? Somebody said. 3 faces. Look over here. 1, 2, 3. This is curved surface now. This is surface now. Oh, I think. 1, curved surface. Base. Both are equal. Okay, that's very important. So, 3 number of faces. 3. Okay. 2 bases are there and a curved surface is there. Number of faces 3. By the way, before going to listen, do you know what is the difference? Is there any difference cylinder and right circular cylinder?
What is right surface?
Cylinder we don't know. Another one you will see somewhere you will see a right circular cylinder. Height is perpendicular to the base. Right circular cylinder means always base is a circle. Okay, its height will be. Another one, if you just imagine, suppose if I slice this way. Suppose if you cutting this way, then it will not come as a circle, it's an elliptical shape. That is also cylindrical one. You don't have anything. If it is given cylinder or right circular cylinder, all of them same thing only. You have nothing else. Okay? So that is all. So don't confuse why it is given right circular here only cylinder. Dimensions. Dimensions means R and H. R, H. R is the radius of the base, H is the height. Okay. Cylinder is uniform. What is the area of the base? What is the area of the base? Area of the circle, pi r square. And this is H. So what is its volume? Base area into height, pi r square. So right, volume is equal to pi r square H. Volume is equal to pi r square H. Base area. Base area pi r square. CSA. CSA means curved surface area. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. TSA. Total surface area. How many surfaces are there? 2 bases. 2 bases means 2 pi r square plus CSA 2 pi r h. Or you can take 2 pi r common, 2 pi r into r plus h. Anyway you learn. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is same thing, this one. Common factors. Okay? Hope all of you following? Yes or no? So this is all. So these are the formula I studied CSA. Oh, by the way, one more thing I forgot. Circumference of the base. Circumference of the base. 2 pi r. It's a circle, na? The circumference of the base is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the base is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Radius diameter relation all of you know. Is it? Radius equal to diameter upon 2. Diameter is twice area. Now, so this is the cylinder you wrote. Below next one, right? Hollow cylinder. Hollow. Hollow, H-O-L-L. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. You know what is the meaning of hollow cylinder?
Yes.
What is the meaning of hollow cylinder? Pipe, cylindrical pipe. Okay. First, right. Thickness. Thickness or width. Thickness or width is equal to, you know what is it? R minus R. Capital R minus small r. What is capital R? Outer radius. What is in small r? Inner radius. How about outer height and inner height? It's same. Outer height and inner height. Pipe, no. Outside, if your height you are taking, there is no base, no. It's open, no. Okay, understood. Sure, agreed. Everyone. Okay, then don't shout. First is, how many faces are there for a hollow cylinder? Those who know reason. Think until now, we'll think about it like how many faces are for a hollow cylinder. One now, what is it? One. 3.
So like
4. Now listen, what is it? Hollow cylinder. Outside there is a surface is there, curved surface. That is outer curved surface. Inside there is a curved surface is there. That 2 you got base. Think about the base. There are two bases are there. What is the shape of the base, you know? What is the shape of the base? Circular ring. There is this ring over here, this much. This is empty over here, there is a circular ring. Understood or not? Okay, so there are four bases are there. Outside CSA, inner CSA, and this one. Which are the conditions are there? Base, two bases are there. Outer base, this one. This is coming as circular ring. Okay, so we will write one by one. First is volume. Volume of solid. Volume is equal to pi h into r square minus r square. Means outer volume minus inner volume. Pi capital R square h is the outer volume. Pi small r square h is the inner volume. So pi h common. Base area pi into r square minus r square. Circular ring. You know what is the meaning of circular ring? All of you know? Hello, we don't need cylinder this mean. Circular ring means the region enclosed between two circles. Concentric circle. This is called the circular ring. Okay, this is the circular ring. And this is the thickness. This part is called the thickness is coming. Okay, so there is a base area. Now CSA means you have to specify which CSA. External CSA. What will be external CSA? 2 pi capital RH. Height will remain same. Radius will change. Internal CSA is equal to 2 pi small RH. External CSA, internal CSA. Are you followed? Abdul, outside radius is capital R, so 2 pi capital R. Inside radius is smaller, 2 pi small r. Okay, this is the condition. Now, what will be the total surface area? What will be? Not need to write. What will be the total surface area? So, which are the things to be added? Outer CSA, 2 pi capital RH. Inner CSA, 2 pi small RH. How many bases are there? 2 bases. So, means 2 times this one. So, 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH, 2 times pi into R square minus R. Okay, that is a hollow cylinder. Now, when it is coming as volume of the hollow cylinder, do you know what the meaning of volume of hollow cylinder? The metal which is used for the that cylinder. Okay, that is volume of the iron or whatever the metal used to make it. That is the volume. Okay, that is cylindrical one. Cylinder, okay now? Alright, formula. You have to learn. So, cuboid, cylinder. Listen. Shape. Rectangle. Length, breadth. Okay. Cylinder. Okay. How it is done?
Length is
How it is done?
Breadth is
The how it is done first of all means folded how. See, look here. If not followed, there is a meaning is there. See, this is done. You want a cylinder? If I did this one, this one is another cylinder here. Both are not same cylinder, no? Different cylinder is coming now. That is why I asked you. How it is done? Folding along the length. Yes or no? See, here it is folding along the length. Here what is done? Folding along the breadth. So difference is coming. Now you identify over here. See, this length become as what?
breadth.
Like here. You look over here. This one. This is the length now. What will come as length? Circumference. Circumference means 2 pi r is equal to length. You know? 2 pi r is equal to length. And breadth will become as what? Height. So there are questions will be there. Okay, a rectangular sheet of paper. All dimensions are given. It is folded along the length. Find the volume of the cylinder form. So you will find out the value of r and h. So you will write length is equal to which one? circumference 2 pi r, breadth is equal to height. If it is opposite way, in this case, 2 pi r is equal to what? Breadth, and height is equal to length. So that will be the same value. Okay. Now, more questions are coming. Imagine this is a rod roller. You know rod roller? What is the shape? Cylindrical shape. Okay. It takes one rotation, rod roller, or when this one roller is in the ground, leveling the ground. If it is one rotation, it is taken. How much area it covers? CSA of the cylinder. Yes or no? So if it is rotated, the imagination, one rotation is equal to CSA of the cylinder. Okay. How much distance it travels? How much distance it travels? Circumference. It is coming from here, it started and moving and reached over here. This much distance means this is same as the circumference. Are you following now? These all conditions are there. How much distance is traveled, all these things. Questions will come. How many revolutions required to level the ground? Okay, that one things we will discuss. Okay, now 3-dimensional thing you have to don't try to draw the figure. Imagine. Okay, drawing it's confusing. Imagine okay, that then only. Let's go to the next imagination. Okay, right cone, right circular cone. All of you know. Example. One. Right circular cone. Cone ice cream you heard about? Yes, sir. Cornet goes on there. Doesn't like no ice cream. No, she doesn't like. She says she. Huh? I guess you like ice cream, no? Cone ice cream. Yes. How many circles are there for the cone? Huh? 2. 3. How 3? Which is the 3? You want to know? There's the base is there. What is the shape of the base? Circular. And there is a chord surface. Rock is coming here, the point is coming, no? Yes or no? Okay. Cap. Oh, perfect cap. Okay now. Here. Time is there now. Time is there coming. Here everyone showing this time. There is a time you can see. Time machine is all here.
That's right.
Okay now. Here something is marked off there. If anyone knows about this one? This is a base. Circle is coming. This is a third surface. Okay. Here something is marked. So tell me what is OA? Height. This is a height. Okay. What is AB? Radius. This also is AC also radius. What is OB?
Like what is slant height?
Slant height. Who said that slant height? This also is a slant height. Okay. What is the relation between LHR? R square plus H square is equal to L square. Okay, follow now. So this contains how many surfaces? 1 and second. Okay, so like cone is written number of surfaces. Number of surfaces. 2. Okay. Dimension means R, H, L. Dimensions means R, H, L. R is the radius, H is the height, L is the slant height. Okay, slant height. Now, relation. What is the relation between these dimensions? L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square plus H square. Is it a uniform one? No. So, volume is equal to formula, remember, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay. How it is getting and all, it's not there, higher studies to be. Remember, now, so after that. Okay. Next is base area. What is the base area? Pi r square. Circumference of base. Circumference of base 2 pi r. Base area pi r square. Circumference of base area pi r square. When this term taken? Circumference of base is 2 pi r. Then CSA, guess we already said pi r l. CSA pi r l. TSA pi r l plus pi r square. That is equal to pi r times l plus r. TSA, total surface area. Pi r l plus pi r square. Pi r into l plus r. Written all of you? All of you. Done. Okay. Formula written. Okay, question. First question. No writing, no. Solution first. If a cylinder and a cone are of the same radius and the same height, what is the relation between their volumes? You do not listen to the question, that's a problem now. A cylinder and a cone of the same radius and same height, then what relation between the volume? Volume of the cylinder is 1 by 3 times volume of the cone. Yes or no? Or opposite? Volume of the cone, not volume. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 times the volume of the cylinder. Look over here. What is this pi r square h? What is the 1 by the volume cylinder? So this is V is what? Volume of cone. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 times volume of the understood not cylinder. So that's the relation. That's the way we apply same thing now. So remember that one. Why I am telling these sort of things, sometimes this way questions will come in your MCQs. So you have to write immediately. You should think and you have to do it. That's why this one. Okay, because both of them, one is pi r square h and other is 1 by 3 pi r. Capacity means capacity means the inner volume. Okay, then the units later I will explain. So this is the one of the conical one done. So 2 more set of formula done. Okay, 2 more means rather 3 more set. Follow cylinder also done. Now another last final set. Another 2, 3 sets. Sphere. Example. Spherical na pakka. Cuboid. Who said cuboid? The shape of the earth is what? Shape of the earth is what? Pakka. There is another ellipsoid as well. It is not, earth is not completely now the things theory keep on changes. New scientists come giving you properties. Whatever is there. No. These are all the balls are spherical ones, okay. Laddu. Yeah, laddu is spherical, huh? Yeah.
A bit uneven.
Uneven. Okay. Okay, now it's very okay. Gulab jamun. That also. Okay, spheres. How many conditions surfaces are there? How many faces? No, 0 face. 1 face, no. That is one. Number of faces 1. That's surface is 1. Surface. Now, okay. How many faces are there? Sphere. You're a footballer, no? You don't play any game. Huh? Who is your favorite person? Huh? It's only long backs, no? I don't know. That's all right. She's a football. You're a football player. Sometimes you used to be going there. So till which level is school team you are there? Till which level you play? Huh? So after DS or state additional regional. So what do you like from history or position? Your defense. Okay, chalo. Okay, number of pages. You also wrote. You also used to play. Okay. Anything used to go for any sport? Are you swimming required? It's a very important. In one of the school, you know, it's compulsory. If you want to pass the class, swimming is compulsory. You know, father, you want to put father angle. Father angle in the school, 8th standard pass promotion certificate is exist swimming, you know. Okay. Anyway, chalo, you go for your cooking. Cooking, what cooking you do? What special cooking? Next class you will do. What are you going to do? I'll be. What? Huh? You play? Delhi. School. Huh? School. Okay, very good. So what is your position? Okay. Chalo, defender. Okay, chalo, number of pieces you wrote down. What you wrote? Dimension. What is dimension? R. Radius. Dimension is R. Okay. Children, listen. So, dimension is R. That is why you always come this way. Yeah. Now, volume. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Remember this one. Quite a lot of people make mistake. 4 by 3 pi r square they write. So remember, 4 by volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Base area is a no base only, so no base area. So don't write anything. Surface area 4 pi r square. Surface area 4 pi r square. Now, sphere contains how many surfaces are there? Only one. If they ask to find CSA, if they ask to find out TSA, if they want to find out surface area, all of them same formula. Understood? Various questions, various ways will be written. Because it contains only one surface, therefore it is coming as 4 pi r square. Understood or not? Now, then if you cut into two equal parts, what will you get? Hemisphere. So below is hemisphere. Hemisphere. How many faces? How many faces? Two faces. Number of faces is equal to 2. Okay, hemisphere. Number of faces is equal to 2. Okay. Dimension is R. Dimension is R. What is its volume? 2 by 3. You have to divide now. That is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Number of faces you wrote now 2. Okay. Base area. Base is what? Circle pi r square. Base area is pi r square. Okay. Base area is pi r square. CSA. You can know what is CSA? 2 pi r square. 4 pi r square is divided by 2. 2 pi r square. Srinidhi, not all these. I am moving this side, otherwise you will keep on moving. CSA is equal to 2 pi r square. TSA. Not surface area. TSA. What is it? Base area and this one. See, pi r square and 2 pi r square added. 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Written? Do you know what is the height of the hemisphere? Height, write down in the book. Height of the hemisphere is equal to radius. Height is equal to radius. Height is equal to radius. By the way, what is the height of the sphere? Diameter. Okay. Generally very rare cases, but diameter. There are cases will come that we will discuss. Okay. Hemisphere written volume. Next, this one. Right. Hollow sphere or spherical shell. Hollow sphere. Srinidhi, what happened? Or spherical shell. Spherical shell.
Number of faces.
Basically, number of faces, how many are there for a hollow sphere? How many faces are there? Two are there outside only. Don't write number of faces. Because inside you cannot see the face, na? Okay. We have to cut and open. Here. Thickness. How much? Capital R minus small r. What is capital R? Outer radius. And what is small r? Inner radius. Volume. Yes. Volume is equal to 4 by outer. 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Outer volume. Always remember hollow cylinder. So this one always external volume minus internal volume. Outer volume minus inner volume. That is the one here. 4 by 3 pi r cube minus, and one more formula, external surface area. Is equal to 4 pi r square. Even they asked to find the surface area, means this is only one. 4 pi capital R square. External surface area. Even surface area they ask means outer only. There is no inner, you cannot see. Okay. Written. These are the formula. This much formula you have to learn. Alright. First you have to learn this one, then based on this one, questions are going to come. You have learned. How many you learned?
So पहले दो की
break needed, no?
Then हो गया तो break.
They'll give no 5 minutes. Give it.
10 minute. अभी late छोड़ा 10 minute.
Also then after the part. Break requires. Yes. So you will give 5 minutes. No problem. After break, we learn the concept.
ज्यादा होता है ना तो तू अगर रेस आने का
All of these standard 2D. 515 for the break and you will 525. Then what? You are going to learn.
break का मतलब learn
So now break is almost done. Learn the If you last week who all are coming for online lectures, one of the team for online, one meeting, who the other one come for online lecture? Okay. I think someone will do. Rishabh, sit down. Again, sign the paper will come to you know. In that time you don't need to look at it. Did you learn first? I'm going to ask you first.
Sir, I will learn. Sir, I will learn to follow this and this.
Yes, learn already Cuban keyboard, na?
So उसके बाद दो तो learn करूँगा.
So that it will be learned to do. You all are talking only. Who is establishing Hindi?
Thank you. Seventh standard. Total surface area of cylinder.
Sir, 2 pi r L plus r.
L? Cylinder where is it?
Sir, 2 pi r times h plus r.
Sit down. You stand up. Stand up. Look here. Okay. Look here. Volume of cylinder. So that only you are learning now. That only I asked you. Yeah. You that cylinder and all of cylinder. So stand and learn. Cylinder all the properties. Okay. You stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. CSA form. Sit down. Next round is coming. Okay. You stand up. Huh? CSA of cylinder. Sit down. Next round is coming. You stand up. Yes. Okay. Total surface area of cuboid.
2 MP plus BS plus H.
Next round is coming. I will not select. Okay. Stand up. Any solid people? Huh? Okay. Sir, total surface area of chemistry. Cylinder. Okay, total surface area of cylinder.
2 pi r square.
Sir.
Cube. Okay, total surface area of the cube. Yes, good. Anything you learn? Me. CSA, A square. CSA is A square is the same. 6A square. Base area is A square. Right formula correctly. You got it. You got it. Okay, that was something again. That will something. Which one was? Okay. Total surface area of the cylinder.
Pi r bracket r.
So you have everything? Okay. Volume of polar cylinder.
Pi h capital R square minus small r square.
Boys are talking, learning. Girls only talking here. Kavya, you are leading the talk. Yeah. Total surface area of form. Sit down. Yeah. Abdul. You come here. Okay, Abdul. So which one you learn? We learn standard. Then which one you learn? Few words learn on. Which one you learn? Few. Total surface area few. This means time is taken and not learned. Few standard. Standard there. Tell me which one you not learn. Which one you learn? Any one sound? Few. Okay. CSA, sorry. Lateral surface area of the cube. Yes. A square is not lateral surface area. A square is base area. Or A square. Okay. Yeah. So here, girls who are not given, you did not give that. You did not. You did not. You got it. Yeah, hello. You learned everything and you need to answer and you need to answer to me. Okay, nothing you learned. Okay. You learned everything now? Okay. Acha, you learned. Okay. Total surface area of the sphere.
So 2 pi r square.
Sphere 2 pi r square.
No. So 4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. Sit down. Yes, what did you learn? Yeah. Cylinder. But also cuboid cylinder you learn. Standard.
cuboid बोल दिया था ऑलरेडी.
अब तो standard ना.
वापस पूछो क्या?
Okay. Volume of the cylinder.
Volume of the cylinder is 5 r square.
Pi r square. Okay. Total surface area of the cube.
6 a square.
6 a square. Okay. Volume of the cuboid.
Volume of cuboid.
That's easy one, na? Cuboid volume. LBH. Sit down. Kavya, you learn now? Which one? Or then which one? Which one you learn? Karna standard. Okay. Already gone. Still gone. Okay. Total surface area of cylinder. 2 pi r present. Like Abdul. What do you learn? Cube. Sure. Base area of the cube. Yes. Volume of the cube. do you learn? Cube you learn. Okay, total substitute of the cube. 6a square. Okay, base area of the cube. A square. Sit down. Then listen here. Huh? All everything is done. Cylinder. Okay. External CSA.
External CSA होता है 2 pi h into r minus.
External CSA 2 pi capital RH. Okay, listen now. Okay, listen. You are not given any answer. You also not given. All others are given some answer. Anything you learn? Tell no. Huh? Cube, standard. Everyone is cube. Okay, volume of the cube. Volume of the cube. A cube. Okay, total surface area. Base is that. 6. No, cube. Hello, zero. You have anything? Huh? Nothing. Today after before going home we have to learn something at time. Okay. So all of you listen now. We are first is a unit. Unit of volume. What is the unit of volume? Cubic units. Cubic meter, cube, centimeter, cube, whatever. First thing is check all the units are same thing. Then otherwise convert. Unit of area, any type of area, base area, total surface area. What is the square unit? Okay, other ones like perimeter, circumference, length, breadth, radius, height, all of them are that which unit. Conversion all of you know. Conversion all of you know.
Yes, sir.
So centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. Yes or no? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Despite your conversion, you must remember. One more is a decimeter. Decimeter generally comes
10 centimeter.
1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Or 10 decimeter is 1 meter. The unit is coming millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. Then decameter, hectometer, kilometer. That way it is coming. Generally the other things, deca and hecta generally doesn't come. Then you remember these four. Okay, conversion. Now, next is 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 centimeter, listen, 1 centimeter square is equal to. What is the conversion between centimeter and centimeter and 10? So that means square means 10 square. Millimeter square. Understood all of you? You remember this one? Square means accordingly. Or if it is 1 kilometer square is equal to what we get? 1000 square meter square means 1000 into 1000. Have you followed? Everything is same. Same thing for the cube also. 1 centimeter cube will be equal to how much? 10 cube. Millimeter cube. Okay, if this one means square means accordingly that conversion square, or cube means conversion cube. Understood this one? Remember this one. Okay, next is liter. 1 liter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 ml is convert to this one. 1000 ml is correct, but
Sir, 1 kilometer square is
Sir, 1000 square meters.
kilometer square. Yes. Okay. This same conversion. Okay. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube.
Sir, but 1 liter होता है 1000 ml.
That is 1000. What is that? 1 liter is 1000 ml. How will you convert this into liters? Okay. Capacity when you get us dimensions are given. How will you convert? Then one more conversion of the liter is there. Do you know? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter, 1 liter. These two remember important ones. Okay. Other ones you must know it. Is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, meter cube, you know what is meaning of 1 meter cube? Length 1 meter, breadth 1 meter, height 1 meter. That is called 1 meter cube. It contains how much water? 1000 liters of water. Understood or not? Okay, swimming pool and all. How much liters, lakhs of liters of water. Okay, the length of the swimming pool maybe 50 meter, breadth also 25 meter. Like that. The height, that is something which all this. Yeah. Okay, this geography followed. Next. Return, I will go to the next term. Whatever conversion one dimension square means accordingly square it. Have you written? Please do remember. Those who don't know, please note down. This will not be given. This conversion will not be given in the exams. They will give question convert into liters. Written all of you. 1 kiloliter is equal to, do you know how much? 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter, which is equal to 1 meter cube. Okay, kiloliter. Yeah. Listen. Next is, so this part also we said. By the way, value of pi you know. 22 by 7 or 3.14 accordingly the question generally it will be mentioned in the question. Accordingly then if not mentioned properly take. Properly take means suppose for example if r is equal to 7 centimeter for a circle. For r is equal to 7 centimeter, how do you take the value? What is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So what is the value of r? Pi should be taken 22 by 7 because 7 will be cancelled. In another question if it is given r is equal to 10 centimeter, value of pi is not given. So what did you take? 3.14 because 3.14 into 100 will come 314. Okay, if it is specified, you have to use this one means you have to do that method. You cannot change it because these two values 22 by 7 and 3.14 both are different things. Values are not equal. Okay, approximately these are both are not actually both are approximations of pi only, not equal approximations. Next, most important thing. We have studied in the beginning itself. In this one, you are doing it is the condition it is coming as combination of the solids. Combination of the solid. Now, volume there won't be much problem. For example, listen carefully. I tell you certain situation, then you will come to it. Let's say one ice cream block is there. What is the block of ice cream block? Cuboid now. Currently, if I can note cuboid. One scoop is removed. What is the meaning of one scoop removed? What is removed? Hemisphere is removed. No. Then the scoop comes up.
Yes, sir.
It will not come generally. Just imagine once. Okay. Sphere will not come out from there. One hemisphere. Okay. One hemisphere. From there. Okay. You will get moves. Okay. One hemisphere is removed. Okay. What will be the remaining volume of the solid? Volume of the cuboid minus volume of the hemisphere. Okay, that is all. In volume there is no problem. If you remove means then subtract. If you keep or for a cubical cuboid on the top one hemisphere is kept over there. So what on solid means what will be the resulting solid's volume? Volume of the cuboid plus addition subtraction volume there is no problem. Whereas in the case of surface area, listen carefully. It is not total surface area. You cannot use this whole formula. That's why formula is not the only thing. You have to see how many surfaces are there. Just now I said now from the ice cream block, one hemisphere is removed. Tell me how many surfaces are there. From me, I repeat the question. Okay. There is an ice cream block is there, it is the cuboid. Okay, one hemisphere is being removed. 7. Now which are the 7? Sphere, hemisphere, what is it? So which are, if it is 7, which are the 7? You have to
The
tell
surface of the cuboid and the surface of this.
surface,
All the sides.
So the cone surface and the other cuboid surface.
cuboid surface. Look here. You said 7 surface, but 7 surface is correct, but certain things are what surfaces are not correct. The surfaces are not correct means just imagine this is the one ice cream block. So if it is removed one hemisphere means there will be a circle over there now. That circle will not be there in the cuboid. So surface area means from the total surface area of the cuboid minus this base area of the hemisphere you have to remove. That is 6 surface count plus CSA of the hemisphere. Are you following or not? Simply you cannot, why I am telling this one means don't take TSA of the this one plus or TSA that. Okay, you have to from here. Just imagine this, imagine, you can imagine this is the box is the ice cream box, keyboard is the block. From there one hemisphere is removed. So you can see the depression is there. Depression is the hole is there. That is a circle. That circle is the base of the hemisphere. So from the total surface area, ice cream box. So the base should be removed plus CSA. Are you following or not? Okay.
CSA of cuboid.
2 is CSA of the cuboid minus
CSA.
base area of the hemisphere plus CSA of the hemisphere. Because you know there is a, you can see when removed there is a circle will come there. No? That also from the TSA you have to remove that one now. Plus what is the circle inside the surface of the hemisphere? That is C. That means 2 LP plus pH plus NH minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Are you following? Okay. So then these type of questions comes, you have to be very careful. Okay. Another one. So again, surface area means always remember visible surface areas. What is it? I need to paint. Suppose this is the one. Okay. This. What is the shape of this one? Cuboid, no? Okay. I'll fix this one. Volume, you know what it is. What is the volume? Volume of the cuboid plus volume plus cylinder. What is surface area? What is surface area? No formula. Don't look at the formula. First identify.
The total surface area.
Total surface area of the cuboid. Minus base area, this part will go minus base. You cannot subtle and see all these surface and this surface. That is gone. Yes or no? That is gone over. So total surface area of the cuboid minus base area of the cylinder plus CSA of the cylinder plus this base area.
Or you can just
Huh?
2 times base.
2 times base.
You can take PSA of the cube minus total surface area of the cylinder minus 5.
How? No. Look here, don't go and combine. When you write after that, certain terms will be automatically cancelled. That later. Identify. See what is it? Cuboid detail. What is there? Everything is there except one circle. What is that circle? Base area of the which one can be some cylinder. So TSA minus pi r square plus what is it? CSA of the cylinder plus pi r square. So that minus pi r square and this pi r square will automatically cancel. Okay, that you remember. So you have to think and you have to do the questions. Okay, so it will be TSA plus CSA of the cylinder. Ultimately, it will be enough. Okay. Now the next is after once you find it, do not put the value of pi every stage and calculate. Calculations will be done at the last. Okay, don't take, okay, I took the TSA calculated, then by base area subtraction calculated, then CSA calculated, then plus minus. No. Everything, if you want to put the value, simply can keep the fraction as it is fraction, pi as it is pi, then simplify. Always try to combine everything and do it. That is always easier way to do it. Alright, read question carefully and solve. First question, exercise. 13, no? Or what, 12? 13 chapter, no?
Yes, sir.
13.1. Okay, read the first question.
Ratio volume 64 centimeter cube joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cube.
So 2 cubes of volume is given. Each of volume 64 centimeter cube joined end to end. So when 2 cubes are joined, what did we get? Cuboid. And then what is the relation then? And what's the relation? Cuboids what?
Volume.
Volume that will come. Before that, what will be the length of the cuboid? 2 times A. What's the breadth of the cuboid? The height of the cuboid? A. Only length changes to 2A. Yes or no? This way the two squares are joined like this way. Join and do it. This will be 2A. This will be A. This will be A. Like that, okay. When 2 cubes, you can imagine 2 cubes are kept together. Length will become 2A. Breadth and height will be same as A. Okay. So what is given over here? Volume of the cube. So from there you can find out A now. So right, volume of cube is equal to 64. Volume of the cube is equal to 64 per centimeter cube. That is A cube is equal to 64. So what is the value of A? 4 centimeter. A is 4 centimeter. Next, for the result, when 2 cubes are joined, end to end. When 2 cubes are joined end to end, comma, resulting cuboid has length L is equal to 2A, 8 centimeter. Breadth is equal to A, 4 centimeter. Height is equal to again A is equal to 4 centimeter. You have to find out TSA formula. Srinidhi, you know the formula of TSA of the cuboid?
2 into LB plus EH plus HL.
Oh, very good. So substitute the value. Got it? L you have, B you have, H you got. Got it? 3 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32. 32, 64, 16, 82, so 160. Is it so? Karan, something else? Calculation. Be careful in the calculation. 160. Yes or no? Not follow. Tell now what is the problem.
Because this
Multiplications, be careful. Instead of multiplication, you will do addition. Okay, done. Question 1 is done. All of you. Pujari, second question read.
Let's say this is the form of a hollow hemisphere bounded by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 40 cm and the total height of the vessel is 30 cm. Find the inner surface area of the vessel.
This vessel is a very familiar one. Can you tell me what is the vessel? This is very familiar in your day-to-day use of right. In the especially what practical test tube. Anna, test tube is easy. बनाएंगे chemistry होगी ना this way this patch part is a hemispherical part okay yeah over here what was it now in this case what remains tell me what remains the same there are two portions are there which are two portions radius remains the same. Okay. What do you have to find out here? Inner surface area. How many circles are there?
Two.
Which are the two?
Inner and outer. The circle, this, and the outer one.
No. Use it. How many circles are there? Did you read all of you? Wait, all of you read the question again.
So one is inner area, area.
Identify how many surfaces. We are according to the question, how many surfaces? 3, 2, 4. More than 2, 3, 4, all 5. Now, look here. Listen, all of you. Why you are taking 4 and all? You have to find out the inner surface. Which is the inner surface? There is an inner CSA of the hemisphere. There is an inner CSA of the cylinder. Which is the other inner surface you have? There is nothing over here now. So, it is not blocked over here. It is not. You have to find the inner surface only, no? Read the question. You have to find out outer.
Inner surface.
You have to find out the inner surface area only, no? So, which are the conditions? Inner means CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of the cylinder. Now, what else? What other things are given?
Diameter.
Diameter means radius is given. How much?
Height of the
Radius is equal to 7 centimeter.
height of
What else? Both of them. Height. What is the height of the hemisphere? What is the height of the hemisphere? What is the height of the hemisphere? Nobody responded. Height of the hemisphere is equal to the radius. See, the total height is given. This much height is given as how much? 13. Out of which this much height only is there for the cylinder. This is how much? 7. Therefore, this is equal to 6. Are you followed? It is not given height of the cylinder. Total height is given or total length is given. Followed? Total height is this much, no? 13. Out of which height of the hemisphere has to be removed. Then only height of the cylinder. I hope all of you followed. Followed, no? No, huh? Yes. Anyone having a doubt? So right. For the hemisphere. For the hemisphere. R is equal to 7 centimeter. That is enough. For the cylinder. The same R which is equal to 7 centimeter. If R is different, put different R dash or R1, R2 like that. You have to put.
How much in here?
Both of them should be of the same radius, na? This is 14 means this also is 40. So radius is equal to 7. Are you followed? Next, H is equal to total height minus radius. That is equal to for 13 minus 7, 6 centimeter. Total height minus radius, that is equal to. Now, next, inner CSA is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of the cylinder. Abir, what is CSA of hemisphere?
2 pi.
Okay, correct. Yes, sir. Rishabh, cylinder CSA.
2 pi r.
2 pi?
2 pi square.
2 pi RH. This is 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi r h. Now look here. Once again check. Is the radius the same thing only? Yes. Okay, so you can take common. What you can take common? 2 pi r. What is left out? R plus h. Don't substitute every stage and calculate. Pujari following. Value pi is 22 by 7. R is how much? 7. 6 plus 7. See, calculations are reduced to see how much. 44 into 13. One multiplication only you have to do. Remaining all simplified. What happened? Last night you did not sleep. You were sitting with them playing or whatever. Yeah. System exam.
The answer should be
Centimeter square. What's the answer now? 5/7. This is very easy. 52 into 11. 52 plus 52. 570. Okay. Understood or not? That makes centimeter square. Is it clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Boys, who read the first question? Good. Okay. Manaswini, today you are not reading anything. You're thinking about something. I think some special mommy is cooking today. What you are going to do? Next class you are going to bring now.
Yes, sir. No time,
Whatever you make your favorite cooking. What's your favorite?
You don't know, na? Best brother. Super brother.
You know what is his favorite food? Okay. So both are super.
He doesn't eat only.
He doesn't eat. He eats. Okay, read the next question.
A cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid.
Hello, listen. All of you read that question twice. Cubical block cube.
Sir, what is that?
On the top. Attached on the top. Don't calculate anything. Identify, then only the things will come. Follow order. Meaning follow order. Yes. Okay, tell me how many surfaces are there? How many surfaces? Those who don't raise a hand. How many surfaces for the solid? Pasta, don't change it. 7. Okay, which are the 7? Tell me you.
On the 6 surfaces first of the cube, then one of the curved surface area on curved surface of the hemisphere.
Done.
One of the sides on which the hemisphere is there. It's hard.
What is that? What is that?
So 6 surfaces.
6 surfaces of the cube you said. Then
Plus the curved surface of the hemisphere.
7. That's all. No, it's not correct. No, it's not correct. That is not the correct thing. Something else. 7 surfaces is correct. Or is it 7 surfaces or 6 surfaces? When you keep it, how 7 surfaces? You are keeping the hemisphere now. So one surface will go now. So then how do you?
Just here it is not completely fit. Sir, how is sphere fit on the sphere?
So then exactly mean then how tall is the cube?
Sir, 5 surfaces of the cube, then the
So from the TSA, did you tell now what is going on? Total surface area of the cube minus base area of the hemisphere. Look over here. Suppose if you imagine this is a hemisphere. If I keep over here, circle. This is the base of the hemisphere is circle, and this is the square. Square will not completely cone. There is a circle is gone. Circle only goes. The remaining part is there. Okay, what is going on? Okay, so look here. So what is the total surface area of the cube minus base area of the hemisphere plus CSA of the hemisphere? Huh? 7. Yeah. So right, first is the question. First part. What is the side of the cube? Side of the cube is given as how much? 7. Correct. Side of the cube is equal to 7 centimeter. The first part of the question, they ask find the what is the radius of the largest. What is it? When a hemisphere of when the largest hemisphere is surmounted, When the largest hemisphere is surmounted,
The largest
hemisphere is surmounted. Did you read the question? Oh, madam, read question. Did you read? Others will read. I will search. So, surmounted. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to side of the cube. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to side of the cube. Therefore, diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. That's the first answer. Diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. And radius is equal to how much? 7 by 2 centimeter. Radius is equal to how much? 7 by 2 centimeter. Now you can make into decimals. Keep always in fractions. Then below, surface area. Surface area of the solid or total surface area, both are same thing. Surface area of the solid is equal to TSA of Q minus base area of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere. That is equal to 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. That is simplified and wrote 6a square plus pi r square. Hope one of you followed. Everyone, hello. Okay now. Now put the value and simplify. All a is there, r is there, pi is there. 6 into. You will calculation all of you do it. 7 into 7 plus 22 by 7. You tell me the answer before everyone. No. Mm. 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 What is the radius you wrote? And the correct, it's wrong. Where is 1, 2 is gone? Charan, this first question only when we say careful. Who got? And did she shameless people only? This is 294.
294 plus 22 by 7.
22 by 7. 77 by 2, 38.5. This, I don't know, 332.5 centimeter square. I don't know this much, why you people are struggling. 49 into 6, that is the problem. 50 into 6 is 300 minus 6, 294. 77 by 2, 38.5. Nice. Hello, look here. Teacher will check this one. First answer 7 centimeter. Second this answer. First one 1 mark. This one remaining 4 marks. This is wrong. 1 plus 1 2 marks. Be careful. Calculations, it is not complicated. You check. Is there any complicated things? Only 77 by 2, 1 and 1 addition. She did not follow. Ritik ma'am not follow. How is it getting? Okay. That is question number 1. Number 3, 4. Again, next question.
A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid.
Okay. Identify. Hemispherical depression is cut out. Huh? Hemisphere removed. I said no ice cream. That's why ice cream and all you don't follow depression at all. Eating it. So how many surfaces? How many faces? 1, 2. Why 1, 2? This is 7. It is the same thing. You can see it's removed now. On the top there is left out is something now. So say plus CSA of the hemisphere also is there now. Inside there is a hemisphere also now. 5 faces like suppose it is one. This face, look. Oh listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here he removed now. So there will be a circle over here. Balance of the some part is there left out now. That is 6. And inside something is there, you can see. That is okay. That is the CSA of the. So, right. Verse 6. Diameter, they given. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to L. L is given, no? Yes. Therefore, radius is equal to L by 2. Unit is given or not?
Diameter of the hemisphere is
L. Therefore, radius is equal to L upon 2. And edge, side of the cube is equal to A is equal to L. Side of the cube A is equal to L. Now surface area, the same thing. Surface area is same. CSA of cube minus base area of the hemisphere plus CSA of the hemisphere. Volume changes. Whereas surface area same thing. That is same as 6a square plus pi r square. A is same as L, 6L square plus pi into L by 2 whole square. If value of pi is given, substitute. Value of pi is how much? 22 by 7. L by 2 into L by 2. 1, 2, 2 is cancelled. L square you can take common. 6 plus 7 by 11 by 14. No? LCM. How much? 14 6 are. Huh?
so 8. So that is one more L.
L into L square now. This is coming as what? 6L square plus 11L square upon 14.
So common.
L square is taken common. 94 L square, 95 L square, LCM is taken. 84 plus 11. 95 L square, square units. If unit is not given me, that means square unit. What is it out? LCM take now. Divide 6 upon 1. 1 by 2 take LCM. Again here. 14 into 6, 84. Plus 1 into 11. Okay. Square units. You don't have a unit one, huh? Square units. What if the unit is mentioned, that makes it. Unit is not mentioned, that makes square units. Okay.
Like this.
Square units. Unit square unit. Okay, done. Yes, Srinidhi, did you read any question today? You did not give an answer also today. So at least read one question. What? Okay. Next question, read and explain. Loudly.
A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 centimeters and the diameter of the capsule is
5 meter, 5 millimeter, 1 millimeter, no? Find the surface area. How many surfaces are there for this capsule? 9. Outer visible surface you take 3. Which are 3? Very good 3. 1, 2 CSAs and cylinder. Okay. So here, so the number of faces 3 that will you got now. So right for the hemisphere, right? For each.
Sir, मैं बोला 3 ये बोला नहीं.
How many?
Sir, I thought it was 1.
Huh? Why 1?
Sir,
All together is 1 only, but you have to make it to 3 parts now. Then only you have a formula diagram.
sir. Sir, if it is asked how many surface area does it have, so on.
They ask this.
ऊपर नीचे.
There are 3 parts are there. How many surface be there is all together 1. So cylinder, how many surface you will write only 1? For a cylinder, how many surfaces are there?
Sir, 3.
3. So which are 3 surfaces?
Sir, 2 bases.
No, you will tell all together 1 only. So one second. So here also same way now. How many surfaces are there? Means 3. Which are 3 surfaces? One hemisphere, another hemisphere, and a cylinder. Understood or not? So for the cylinder, what is the radius? For cylinder, what is the radius? Sorry, cylinder, what is the radius? Let's tell na. Diameter is 5 or radius? So radius is equal to 5 by 2 millimeter. For the cylinder, radius is equal to diameter is 5 is given now. So radius is 5 by 2 millimeter. Middle portion is what is the capsule shape?
Yes, sir.
Followed or not? Yes. This is the part of the capsule. This is a hemisphere, this is a hemisphere, and this is cylindrical. Okay. Then height is equal to what is the height of the cylindrical portion? Total length is how much? 14. So from 14, what do you have to remove? 2 r na? 2 radius. That is 14 minus 5. The total height means what is the total height? These are removed. So this is 14 minus 2r. That is equal to 14 minus 5, 9 millimeter. Then for each hemisphere, right fast. That is equal to radius is equal to 5 by 2. Don't calculate individually. Therefore, surface area is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 times CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder plus 2 times CSA of the hemisphere. This is 2 pi RH plus 2 times 2 pi r square. Radius is same, so you can take common. What you can take common? 2 pi r is taken common. What is left out? H plus 2r. है ना? 2 or 1 2 is gone, another 2 is left out, no? That is 2 into pi value is given anything? Pi is not given now. Into 5 by 2. H is how much? 9 plus 2 into 5 by 2. That's why individually calculating it will be long. Separately you can see it will be simplified again. 2 is cancelled. 22 into 5 is 110 divided by 7 into 14. Calculations are very simple, but if you are individually doing it's long way. Combined, see 2 is cancelled, 9 plus 5 is 14. Simplify. What problem? LCM नहीं चाहिए ना. These 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 2 is this is cancelled na. 22 into 5 multiplication na. This product na. 22 into 5 is 110. 7 is there. Okay. 9 plus 5. It is not into 5 plus 5. time over. Bye bye. Okay. Next class, please learn the formula.
Makes sense, right? Right? Yeah, but still, I still feel like swimming working like your principal. Right, for me.